This manifold valve inflates and deflates up to 4 air springs using two 1/4 inch NPT intake and two 1/4 inch NPT exhaust ports. The ports connecting the airline to the air spring are 1/4 inch NPT, while the ports connecting the airlines to the air gauges are 1/4 inch NPT. Includes a 9-switch controller with weatherproof plug-and-play harness that not only controls 8 valves individually, but also improves the appearance and guarantees proper operation on every setup. The robust internal solenoid valve structure maximizes flow rates and offers operation up to 230 psi for millions of cycles. Provides seamless installation and reliable operation. Included in this kit are also two 2500 style airbags, two 2600 style airbags, two dual needle gauges, 100 feet of 3/8 of an inch outer diameter nylon hose and 50 feet of 1/4 inch outer diameter nylon hose with their respective fittings to connect them to the manifold.